What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. So today we're making carrot cake muffins, vegan style. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to bloom your eggs, air quotations. So you're gonna use some hot water. I'm just going to pour that over the flaxseed. And I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. And it's gonna thicken up. So we'll just leave that, put it aside, and move on to the dry. You're gonna start with your flour, your whole wheat flour, then the brown sugar, right, baking powder, baking soda, and your spices. Oh, it smells so good. Nice. All right, so we're just gonna mix this up. Should have used a bigger bowl. Okay, that was stressing me out, so I'm using a bigger bowl. All right, done. All right, so we're gonna take our carrots, we're gonna add them next. All right, and just mix those in. All right, that looks pretty good. Let's move on to the wet. You're gonna start with your oil. Well, you can start with anything you want, actually. I'm just starting with the oil. Put that in there. Add your apple cider vinegar, your vanilla extract, and your eggs. Yeah, that's good. Get that all in there. And then I'm just gonna take a little whisk to it. There we go. All right, let's add this to the dry. Switch to a spoon. We're gonna add, well, I'm switching to a spoon. And mix it up. All right, now as you're mixing, you want to start to add in your milk. Oh, that's perfect. And there you go. Perfect. Nice. Next, obviously, you want to add it to your muffin tray, a muffin pan, whatever you call it. I'm using a spoon. It's probably better to use like an ice cream scoop, right? And you want to fill these up about 3/4 of the way. All right, so that gave me 10 muffins. That is a-okay with me. The oven is ready to go. They're gonna go in for about 25 to 30 minutes, again at 350 degrees. Be sure to keep an eye on them though, around the 25 mark. Just stick a fork in them or a toothpick. Make sure they're okay.
Eventually.
All right, so they've been cooling for about 5 minutes. They were in the oven for 25 minutes from me. So, but check with your oven. You know, everybody's oven is different. So keep an eye on it, like I said. Okay, let's give these a go. Oh, so soft. Ooh, nice. Oh, wow. Wow. Ha, ha, ha. So hot. Oh, that's so good. So moist, so soft, so good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. Once again, everybody, stay safe, stay positive, and I will see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.